Hello, today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to wash your sew-in and also wash your real hair or your leave-out, whichever one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, loves. Every Tuesday I post new content, and it's always 2 videos posted on every Tuesday. So make sure you tune in to the video that comes after this, which is how I curl my sister hair as well. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right into the tutorial. I'm gonna start by rinsing her hair first, making sure I rinse it all really good. And then I'm gonna start by shampooing and conditioning her hair. When you shampoo and condition sew-ins, you wanna make sure that you're saturating the leave out and you're scrubbing it really good to get all of that product and everything off of it, any edge control or anything that may be on it. You want to scrub it really good. I like to go in between each of their braids and give them like a massage as well, and I do run water in between their braids too. So here you see me just scrubbing her scalp, going in between the braids, getting the soap throughout the hair. Yeah. And also, a lot of people tend to not know how often to wash their sew-ins or their extensions. Wash it as often as you would wash your own natural hair. I would say at least about every week to every 2 weeks. Anything more than that is way too often. You want to treat the hair with more care than you would treat your own natural hair, just because this hair is no longer living. It's dead hair pretty much. So you want to take really, really good care of it and shampoo and condition it as often as needed. And you want to deep condition the hair often as well, because a lot of times the extensions do get very dry. So you want to deep condition the hair as well and clip the ends when necessary too. You guys have to remember that it's not living, so the hair has to be treated with care, and that way you'll get longevity out of your hair. Okay, so step 2, you're going to sit under a hooded dryer, and that's for you to be for certain that you are drying the hair completely. You want to make sure that the braids are dry, so sitting under there for about 45 minutes or more if necessary. It's definitely going to make sure, or it's definitely going to reassure that that hair is dry. My nephew is, you're going to see him walk past. He's actually hanging out with us today at the salon. Okay, so step 3, you're going to check for loose wefts. Sometimes when extensions are done and the client is putting it in ponytails and curling it and pulling it in different directions, and whatever they do to it on a daily basis can cause the thread to get loose and the wefts to kind of shift. So I like to check in between each of the different wefts and check for any hair that may be hanging, or any weft that may be hanging that needs to be rethreaded. So that's what I'm doing here. Step 4, you're going to blow dry the hair. Because extensions take so long to dry, you're going to need to, even after sitting under the hooded dryer, you're going to have to dry the extensions. And her hair back there was still a little bit damp, her natural hair. So I just wet it with a spray bottle of water to get it to get some more water on it, or to get it a little more wet. And here I am, I'm adding, that's the foam wrapping lotion. It just makes the hair a little bit straighter and gives it more of a hold. And then I'm gonna proceed with blow drying the hair with the round brush and get the hair really straight. All right, on to step 5. You're gonna grease and oil the scalp. The scalp, after washing it and everything, and just having extensions in, causes the scalp to be really dry and the hair to be really dry. So I like to go in between each of the braids and just add grease. I actually have a special mixture that I'm using on her hair that I put together on her hair, and it's going to help her to not have issues with itching, and it's going to keep her scalp oiled for quite some time. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, step 6, flat iron leave out. So I am spraying her hair with some silk elements. Make sure you're always using the heat protectant prior to using any type of heat on the hair. And I'm just gonna flat iron her leave out so it can blend seamlessly with the extensions. And guys, can you please leave a comment below telling me if you want to see more videos on straightening my clients' hair or silk presses, or if you want to see some if you want to see sew-ins. Just comment below so I will so I'll know what videos to have for you guys next time. All right, guys, so that is it. This is how it looks after I flat ironed her leave out. And this is how it looks in a ponytail. Very seamless, very clean, Very nice. Okay, guys, if you're interested in looking at the video that I have of how I curled my sister hair, then make sure you follow that link that is in my description box below. Thanks again for looking at my video. I really appreciate you guys, and I thank you a lot for the support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.